Hi there, you made it to the Coffee Buzz Club channel. In this video, we will talk about 15 recipes for the perfect cup of coffee. The coffee recipes in this video will make you the perfect cup of coffee that can be enjoyed anytime. But, if you're feeling like drinking hot coffee, try a hot mocha float. We have delicious recipes for iced lattes and blended drinks for those who love a little bit of sweetness in their beverage. No matter what your taste buds are craving or how much time on your hands, you can be your own barista with these 15 recipes that will satisfy all your cravings. 7 hot coffee recipes you can't resist. On a cold morning, you just can't help brewing a double-shot espresso coffee to wake you up. It's hard to get out of bed, more importantly, to go to work in cold weather. These latest recipes are a great alternative to flat whites that you have every morning. Switch up your morning coffee routine. Mexican coffee. You'll love this decadent fusion of chocolate, spices, citrus, vanilla, and robust coffee from our neighbors to the south, a cup of magic. Ingredients: 1 ounce coarsely ground coffee, 2 cups water, 2 ounces semi-sweet chocolate, 1/2 cup milk, 1 to 2 ounces dark brown sugar, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 orange rind, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Cream. The method. Create a brew of coffee and water using your preferred method. Pour the milk, orange peel, cinnamon stick, and chocolate into a saucepan. Melt the sugar and chocolate over low heat, stirring frequently. Pour the brewed coffee and vanilla into the saucepan after removing it from the heat. Pour the coffee into cups after removing the cinnamon and orange peel. If you'd like, you may add cream. The next coffee recipe is cream and coffee. The drink is similar to the Italian dessert affogato, in which a scoop of gelato is drowned with espresso shots. Take advantage of this recipe's ease of preparation, so enjoy it. Ingredients: 1 large scoop vanilla gelato or ice cream, 1/3 cup freshly brewed coffee chocolate syrup. Method: scoop the ice cream into the mug or bowl. Coffee is poured over ice cream, and chocolate syrup is drizzled on top. Next, mocha float. Take a look at this recipe that will make a fun, indulgent addition to your coffee-based recipe collection. A smooth blend of coffee, cocoa, and chocolate ice cream satisfies all your appetites. Ingredients: 1/2 cup cocoa, 1/2 cup sugar, 2 cups milk, 2 cups strong coffee, hot, 1 cup chocolate ice cream. Method: in a large saucepan, combine cocoa and sugar and whip them together. Continue to whisk, then add the milk over medium heat while on the stove. Take the pan off the heat and stir in the coffee. Fill mugs with the coffee. Enjoy. Cappuccino with cinnamon. Despite not having an espresso machine or a way to froth milk, you can still prepare a cappuccino. It's never impossible to accomplish what you want if you set your mind to it. Ingredients: simple syrup, cinnamon flavored, 2 ounces of double-strength brewed coffee, 12 ounces milk, 24-ounce glass jar with a screw-on lid. Method: make coffee according to your preferences. During the process of making the coffee, pour 12 ounces of milk into the glass jar. Cover the container with the lid. It usually takes 30 to 60 seconds for milk to foam up and double in volume. In this respect, shake the jar as hard as you can. Then microwave on high for 30 seconds uncovered with the lid removed. The foam will rise to the top of the milk, and nearly double in volume, while the microwave's heat will help stabilize it. Take coffee from the pot and divide it between 2 mugs. Add a splash of cinnamon syrup to each cup. Fill the mugs with warm milk, then spoon milk foam on top. Garnish the foam with cinnamon powder. Vietnamese egg coffee. It is only the egg yolk that is used in this drink, which is turned into a rich layer of whipped cream and sweetened condensed milk. But, yes. Egg coffee. Ingredients: 8 ounces of black coffee, brewed strong, 2 tablespoons sweetened condensed milk, 1 egg yolk. Method: combine egg yolk, condensed milk, and 1 tablespoon of the coffee in a small bowl. Whisk them all together. Make sure the mixture appears pale, and it falls from the whisk in thick, pale ribbons. Time and hard work will be required. It is far easier to prepare this in a stand mixer if you double or triple the recipe. 1 cup of the mixture cannot be aerated by the whisk attachment. With some of the remaining coffee, fill a glass half full to 1/3 full with egg foam. Café Breve. The Breve is an American variation of a latte. Using half and half instead of milk makes this cappuccino thick and creamy. This thick foam creates a structure sturdy enough to hold up to espresso. When making this coffee at home, keep in mind that the modern American version produces a sweeter cup than usual. Ingredients: 4 ounces double-strength coffee, 4 ounces half and half, an 8-ounce glass jar with a lid. Method: if you normally use 1 tablespoon of grounds, try using twice that amount, so you get a double-strength brew. Fill the glass jar with 4 ounces of half and half while the coffee is brewing. Cover it with a lid. It usually takes 30 to 60 seconds for milk to foam up and double in volume. In this respect, shake the jar as hard as you can. Then microwave on high for 30 seconds uncovered with the lid removed. When heated in the microwave, the foam will rise to the top, and almost double in volume, stabilizing it as it rises. Grab an 8-ounce mug, and pour steamed milk. Try to hold back the foam as you do this. Get a spoon and put half of the foam on top. Add the remaining foam to the mug after pouring the coffee. If you wish, sprinkle cocoa powder on top. 8 iced coffee recipes you can't resist. On hot days, the first thing that may come to mind is to drink a cold beverage. Could be cold water or a perfectly sweet glass of coffee to make your day better. Rather than sticking to a simple recipe like plain old latte, these iced drinks will switch up your iced coffee experience. Iced mocha. A cup of iced latte from a nearby cafe is all you need to relax after a long day of work. But coffee is a real luxury, especially for those who can't spend any extra for one irresistible cup. This iced mocha recipe will have you save you the cost of buying those overpriced coffees you see in cafes. Plus, you can modify it to your liking. Ingredients: 1½ cups cold coffee, 2 cups milk, 1/4 cup chocolate syrup, 1/4 cup white sugar. Method: coffee can be frozen into cubes by pouring it into an ice cube tray. Place in the freezer for 24 hours or until solid. Blend coffee ice cubes, milk, sugar, and chocolate syrup together. All ingredients should be blended smoothly. Place it into a glass and serve. Iced matcha tea with soy milk. This dairy-free, iced green tea latte looks simple but packs a powerful punch. Ingredients: 1 cup vanilla soy milk, 1 teaspoon green tea powder, matcha, 1 teaspoon granular sucralose sweetener. Ice cubes. Method: put the soy milk in the blender. Pour the matcha in and blend for 30 seconds until it is well dissolved and smooth. Next, blend in the sucrose for about 10 seconds until combined. Pour the green tea mixture into a glass filled with ice. Cold brew coffee turned to almond milk latte. Is there any sense in spending money on expensive iced lattes at coffee shops when you could make them at home for a fraction of the price? Ingredients: 4 cups room temperature water, 1/2 cup coarsely ground coffee beans, 2 cups almond milk, or to taste. Method: water and grounds are mixed in a large carafe. Stir the mixture and cover it. For 12 to 18 hours, leave the mixture at room temperature. Through a coffee filter or cheesecloth, pour the coffee into a bottle to catch the grounds. Make the ice cubes by pouring the cold brewed coffee into an ice cube tray and freezing for 6 hours. Frozen cubes should be kept in resealable plastic bags until ready to use. Put the ice cubes in a glass and pour almond milk over it. Frothy caramel latte. If you want a good start to the day, try this frothy, blended espresso drink. This cool and refreshing frozen latte is topped with caramel sauce and whipped cream to suit your sweet tooth. Ingredients: 3 fluid ounces brewed espresso, 1 tablespoon caramel sauce, 2 tablespoons white sugar, 3/4 cup milk, 1½ cups ice cubes, 2 tablespoons whipped cream. Method: pour the espresso, sugar, and caramel sauce into the blender and blend it on high until the sugar and caramel dissolve. Place the ice and milk in the blender. Blend until the mixture is smooth and frothy. Add whipped cream as a finishing touch. Pumpkin spiced latte. If you're obsessed with Starbucks pumpkin spice lattes, This recipe will help you cut the costs so you won't go broke. You can make these countless times for yourself or for everyone who has a craving for pumpkin-spiced lattes. The very best part about this recipe is you won't be needing an espresso machine. Ingredients: 3 cups hot whole milk, 4 teaspoons white sugar, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, 6 ounces double-strength brewed coffee, 3 tablespoons sweetened whipped cream, 3 pinches pumpkin pie spice. Method: using a blender, blend the hot milk, vanilla extract, sugar, and pumpkin pie spice until frothy. Fill approximately 2/3 of the mugs with the mixture. Fill the mug with 2 ounces of coffee. Add whipped cream and pumpkin pie spice to finish it off. Campfire S'mores Frappuccino. S'mores are classic, and who doesn't love them? S'mores and espresso combined makes a refreshing summer treat. So enjoy a s'mores frappuccino this summer. Ingredients: 3/4 cup ice, 1/2 cup milk, 3 tablespoons marshmallow topping, such as Smucker's, 1 shot cold espresso, 1/2 tablespoon Dutch process cocoa powder, 1/2 tablespoon white sugar, 1/4 cup whipped cream, 1/2 tablespoon graham cracker crumbs. Method: pour the ice, milk, marshmallow topping, espresso, cocoa powder, and sugar into a blender and blend until smooth. Pour it in a glass, then add whipped cream and graham cracker crumbs on top. Gingerbread latte. Make this seasonal favorite with an espresso machine at home or in the office. Ingredients: 2 fluid ounces espresso coffee, 2 tablespoons gingerbread flavored syrup, 1/2 cup milk, steamed 1 cup whipped cream, 1 pinch ground nutmeg, 1 pinch ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla powder. Method: combine espresso coffee and flavored syrup in a coffee mug. Pour steamed milk into the mug. Sprinkle with nutmeg, cinnamon, and vanilla powder before topping with whipped cream. White chocolate latte. White chocolate lattes are a favorite among the youth. And why should you go broke buying these lattes when you can make them at home? Ingredients: 1.5 cups milk, 1 tablespoon heavy cream, 2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon white sugar, 1/2 cup brewed espresso, 1/4 cup white chocolate chips, chopped. Method: whisk heated milk and cream together in a saucepan until they are hot and frothy. Take the pan off the heat and add in the vanilla and sugar. Pour hot espresso into a mug with white chocolate chips and stir until smooth. Make 2 by pouring half into a second mug. Add the frothed milk on top, stir to combine, and serve. What can you mix with coffee? Coffee is such a versatile beverage. Various ingredients can be used to take advantage of it. For example, you may add commonly used ingredients like milk, sugar, or flavored syrup. Or you may mix coffee with other drinks like juices, milkshakes, and even alcohol. What can't you do to your cup of joe? The following are just a few popular ingredients that people enjoy their coffee with: honey, butter, salt, ice cream or gelato, vanilla extract, melted chocolate, nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla bean paste, brown sugar, Nutella or hazelnut spread. There are so many ways to enjoy coffee. Find the perfect way for your taste buds. Do you put milk in coffee? A handful of people enjoy coffee with a dash of milk and a sprinkle of sugar. Milk is both sweet and creamy, giving coffee the perfect consistency for those who prefer their coffee on the sweeter side. Milk also helps to mask any bitter flavors from brewing too long. However, not everyone enjoys milk in their cup of joe. Some may find that it curdles with the coffee, while others may be allergic to milk. Whatever the reason is for not including milk in your cup of coffee, you can still enjoy it with other dairy products such as cream or half and half. There are so many ways to drink a delicious cup of coffee, with or without milk. What's important is that you're enjoying yourself with that cup of joe. How do you make good coffee at home? Good coffee requires the perfect brewing time, much like tea. The coffee grind should be left to brew for 4 minutes before pouring it into the cup and adding any milk or sweeteners. Although that all depends on the kind of brewing method you use. Aside from brewing time and brewing method, The right roast can bring about the perfect taste suited for your taste buds. A good rule of thumb is that darker roasts are usually bolder, while lighter roasts are milder in flavor. Using different types of grinders such as blade grinders or burr grinders may also affect the kind of coffee you make. All these things contribute to a good cup of coffee. However, what's good and what's not differ from every person. So make your coffee the way you like it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up, it really helps with the channel to grow. Click that subscribe button and see you in the next video.